deuce, and I think there is a pocket for the 2. 1 in the air a little bit with the cue ball after contact, which helped the movement a little bit.
Well, he can't see enough of it. He's made it. He's fired.
What is the minimum distance that you need between an underball ball and cue ball to jump the cue ball over?
11 millimeters. Well, that is a complete joke.
Oh!
Wow, Quintillion Golders.
There we go, Vilmos.
Isn't it, Phil? You know, you wrap 9 balls up in a diamond and every time you break. The theory of chaos, and that was when he failed to lay a hook in the previous rack.